morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Sri Namit Official. Today we have to discuss about class 10 chemistry. And our chapter is carbon and its compound. So guys, in previous session of video we have to study about the in term of the naming of organic compound that is used by the rule of IUPAC nomenclature. That in previous session of video we have to discuss about the naming of parent chain. That means you have to select the parent chain, that means the large number of carbon atom. After that we have to discuss about the application of lowest log-n rule, where we have to take the priority of substituent terms. We have to follow such questions in terms of the like application of the lowest log-n rule in previous section of video. Today we have to discuss about the another one. That means our topic is naming of organic compound in term of IUPAC. We have to discuss about the rule number 3. Rule 3. That is the rule is applicable for the formation of space. The substitute is added in the same group, that means in the terms of parent chain there are more than at least 2 or more than 2 substitutes added in a same parent chain. How can we write the name of organic compound? In the formation of this state, when the 2 or more than 2 substituent attached in a same parent chain, then the naming of organic compound is tends to the alphabetical order. It means that the first alphabetical order is written first, and after that it follow the trace of name. That means this is rule number 3 of IUPAC, where we have to discuss about those type of condition of organic compound when similar parent chain contain at least 2 or more than 2 substituents. Then what we do for the naming of that type of organic compound? We have to follow the rule number 3 of IUPAC, where we have discussed that the follow of alphabetical rule. That means the numbers and the name which come in alphabet first, that is written first. After that we follow the traits of alphabetical order. If you can't understand the rule number 3, just take an example here. This is Example, like the formation of this CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is the condition having same parent chain. This is the parent chain of the following organic compound, and there is two substituents present here. There is two substituents. Substituent number first is 1 and another is 1. As you know about the name of this hydrocarbon terms, that is methyl here, and this is ethyl here. That we have to give the which purity in the following of the terms of the name. That we have to write you have to write ethyl first before methyl, because according to alphabetical mean E comes before M. So that is the rule we have to discuss here for the naming of organic compound in terms of alphabetical order, and the condition is same parent chain contain at least 2 or more than 2 substituents in a chain. After that, we have to discuss about the term very subsequently formations in terms of which. After that, we have to release the terms and doing the question, practice the question of the naming of organic compound by the following such rules here. So guys, we have to take a screenshot of it. After that, we have to discuss the another one rule, that means our rule number 4 is 0. So take the screenshot here. Okay guys, after this, if we have to attach a note in it, you have to attach a note in it. And note is that in term of naming the two integer means number is separated by comma, and the alphabets is separated by hyphen, that is dash. You have to just know the small thing, small, all the rules are followed for the naming of hydrocarbon, the naming of organic compound. That's all are the initial stages of the formation in terms of naming. You have to follow the such rules. You have to discuss about the question. First of all, you have to select the parent chain. After that, you have to apply the Lorentz rule. After that, you have to see about the terms of the substrate. At least one substrate is present, more than 2 substrates present. What should be written first? How can you separate the integer? How can you separate the alphabet? That's all are the formation of the term of naming that is discussed by us during this rule configuration. Now we have to practice some question on the naming, because in the previous section of video we have already discussed about the selecting parent chain. We have to discuss about the application of the longest common root on the parent chain. This is not to be considered about the naming. Now we have to discuss about the naming. We have to practice the question about the naming of organic compounds. So guys, take a screenshot of it. That's all, and you revise the every rule, because all the rules are applicable on the organic compounds for the name. So take it. Okay, our question. Write the name of following organic compound in term of I, U, P, A, C. We have to discuss about this term. That means your question number first is here. This is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3, only CH3. Question number second is here. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Question number third is here. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. That's it. Question number 4 is here of CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Question number 4 is that means we have to discuss only 4 questions. So just think about this question. You have to apply the rules of IUPAC and this all are solved. So in terms of the solving first question, we have discussed about the rule of IUPAC. That first rule is selecting the parent chain that contain at least larger number of carbon. That means the compound, the chain contains large number of carbon is called parent chain. Your first work is selecting the parent chain. In terms of this is your parent chain and this is your substituent. Now we have to apply the lowest blockade rule for the numbering. That means substitute come lower. In terms from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From left to right consideration, your substitute comes from the position of 4. From right to left position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From right to left, you have to see that your position of the substituent is becomes from the 3. That remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means 3 number of carbon contain a substituent. In terms of naming, we have tried the first substituent that we have tried the prefix for this. This is the name and this is 3-methyl. Before few minutes ago we have discussed that the number and alphabet is separated by hyphen. We have to put hyphen for this 3-methyl. How many carbon? 6 carbon. Hence, combining the single bonded, we have to write here A. That means this is the name of the bonded 3-methyl hexane. Now we have to discuss the question of second name. Again, we have to select the parent chain. That is, this is your parent chain contain large number of carbons. That means there is 2 substituents present. First one is this and second one is this. This is the term of methyl, and this is the term of ethyl. Which substitute from before? This is the naming of terms of the application of lowest periodic table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means position comes from 3 and 5. From right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means right to left application of the numbering, your substituent comes from the position of 4 and 6. That means your numbering is written like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have to write the naming of this. There is 2 substituents present guys, methyl and ethyl. Which is treated first in terms of alphabetical? M come before or E come before? Okay. Now we have to write the formation of this. This is methyl and this is ethyl formation. For the naming, we have to write ethyl first. That means we have to write 5-ethyl. 5-ethyl. Again 3-methyl. Methyl. How many carbons in parent chain? 8. We have to put up for it and single bond octane. This is 5-methyl 3. 5-ethyl 3-methyl octane. Now we have to forming this formation. That means parent chain is this. First of all, see the formation here. This is not a substrate. This is the part of parent chain. This is the part of parent chain is there. In terms of numbering, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means your substrate comes same place. From the left to right or right to left. For this configuration, I write the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The position of substrate is at 4 position. You have to write here 4. Methyl heptane. That means the naming of organic compound is 4-methyl heptane. Now we have to discuss again this formation. Your parent chain is selected from this. This is your parent chain. 3 substituents is present. 1, 2 and 3. This is ethyl. This is methyl, and this is also methyl. Position is stacking the formation like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No name is here. You have to write the name for this. Diethyl and tetraene not to be considered in terms of alphabetical means, guys. You have to only write the alphabetical means in terms of the substituent, that is methyl, ethyl, not a dimethyl. That means D comes before E. You have to write di before, not a formula for the formation of this. You have to write again the formation that is 5-ethyl, comma 3 and 4. 3 and 4. You have to write the position of methyl. 3, 4. Dimethyl no nil. Complete. That's all questions are solved by us. We have to practice this all question at home. If there is any doubts, please give the response in comment section. Now we have to discuss about the